All right, seriously though. So yeah, I got it out, and one of the ways I got it out was finally getting this off of the shaft, and I did that by a lot of hammering on this part of. Why is it not focusing over here? To sort of drive it up, and while I did that, I managed to realize that the top part was actually in four pieces, which was interesting. And then the armature still wouldn't come out. It was stuck in there. And so I started pounding it from the back, first just with a hammer and then with a drift. I did some damage on there. And it still wouldn't come out. And then I just wiggled it a little bit and the whole thing came apart. So I still have to deal with the back part of it. But now that the top is off, I might be able to get in from the top. But it's a little bit tight in there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to replace the brushes from here. So, yay!